Okay, so now that we made our model for 3D print, now we're going to get it ready for the laser cutter. So we still have our model here, it's 3D. The laser cutter, we're only concerned with the outline where it's going to cut. So in order to do that, we need to do what's called create a drawing. If we go to the space over here, which is design, we're going to go to drawing from design, and just basically say full assembly, just leave all the same. I would make this page size a little smaller, 8.5 by 11 is fine. Click OK. And it'll take you to this drawing page here. And then the cursor here is going to be on what you have going on here. I'm going to switch to the top because that's what I'm really concerned with. It's here. And click on top, and then we're going to click on enter. So now we have just the line art that we need for the laser cutter. So one last step is we're going to click on output, and we're going to set it as a DXF for output. And we're going to leave that the same, and we're going to give them a name. Let's see, where's the, this right here. We'll leave that the same there, drawing. I'm going to replace that because I was doing it earlier. So we hit yes, and then that's how we export our line art for preparation for the laser cutter.